talking with Jim Ply today, and one thing we were discussing is, as a lighting designer, we're guiding the homeowner or the customer's eye. So we direct them what they should see, and then we hide with darkness what we don't want them to see. What techniques did you use? Anything different or anything unusual on this job that was something out of the ordinary?
I would say no, that nothing was out of the ordinary.
Yeah.
Everything I wanted to do, I was able to do based upon the environment.
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, I learned from Jan, speaking at maybe at AOLP or maybe at your event years ago, that, you know, I asked her, hey, what layer is the first layer?
Mm-hmm.
And she said, if I can light from above, if I can downlight, that's where I want to look at first.
Yep.
For every project. And, you know, and I'm trying to learn from the best always. And, and I adopt that. And a lot of people would look at this and not think to light from above.
Yeah.
And so that really helped. And the celebrity oftentimes in a home is the trees, the foliage. And the trees are nice here, but the celebrity is on the ground. It's the ground cover. It's these beautiful ferns and flower and plants and annuals that they work on so hard. And so we wanted to evenly light that area, a couple little garden sculptures, and then just make it feel peaceful. Obviously, safety is really important.
Yeah.
To get from the back of the house here and see out through to the pool. But yeah, so it's nothing crazy or unusual.
Yeah.
But
just easy stuff.
Yeah, it very much let me do what we want to do.